Hey everybody, Tony here, Johnson RV. Got Zach behind the camera. I want to show you this awesome 2018 Leisure Travel Unity 24 TB. 24 feet long approximately, twin bed model. Awesome floor plan. I want to point out it's on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3-liter turbo diesel. Super reliable. People love the fuel economy of these coaches. They're just really comfortable to ride in, especially for long distances. This is obviously a Class B+. You do have some exterior storage on this coach, which is nice. You do have a power awning. You have an LED porch light on this guy. It's got everything that you need for extended stay or for short trips. Coming on inside, you'll see all the build quality that you would expect coming from Leisure Travel. Obviously, being a Canadian-based company, they're definitely very well built for cold weather, cold climates. But just all the build materials, all the fabrics that they use, all the wood, all the cabinetry. These Mercedes front seats, they do swivel, so that way you have rear-facing seating. There is a table pedestal here to put a table. This here does convert into another bed. This is obviously not the primary bed, it's a secondary bed. 2-burner cooktop, lots of drawers, solid surface countertops, ample storage overhead to give you an area here for a spice rack. This guy does have an onboard generator. It looks like the generator on this coach, super low, only 40 hours on the generator. This does have a refrigerator and freezer, also your convection microwave. Another cool feature about this coach too is that the commode and the shower are separated. This is the commode side here, porcelain commode. More storage here in the bathroom, pretty good size. And then on this side over here, you've got the shower. So somebody could be using the commode while somebody else is using the shower instead of it being combined. People really enjoy that. This is the twin bed setup that I was referring to. This twin bed setup also can convert into a king bed, really cool setup for a split twin. You do have a Samsung TV back here, and again, you'll notice just tons and tons of storage overhead. The build quality of these coaches is like second to none, and they usually don't last long. So if you have any questions about this guy or any others, please let me, Zach, or anybody else on the team know. Thanks. Have a great day.